This is a connector for Osmo Pocket Wi-Fi module and mic adapter. Connect a Wi-Fi module and mic adapter. But connect to this Osmo Pocket. Osmo Pocket recognizes only mic adapter. So at first, only connect Wi-Fi module. Now switch on. Appears Osmo Pocket. So connect. Now connected to Android. Okay. And return. Next, connect mic adapter. And Android. Wi-Fi. Forgot. Yes. And enter password. Password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not 5, 4. Now connected. So now begin to record. Now using external mic, so mic test. Okay. Now stop recording. Now watch inside this file. Now using external mic, so mic test. Okay. Now stop recording. Now you understand that with this connector, Wi-Fi module and mic adapter work at the same time on Osmo Pocket. Then I will show you this, how to make this connector. I use this Type-C male to female test board and female test board, Osmo Pocket and mic adapter and Wi-Fi module is connected here. Pin number is printed on this board, so easy to understand. A female test board is connected on the male to female test board with this and nut and spacer here. Line connection is this: male to female test board pin number and female test board pin number. So A1 connect to A1, A2, A2, A4, A4, B6 to B6 and A6, B7 to B7 and A7. A8 is connected to A8 with 50 kilo ohm resistor. This is very important. And B9 to B9. Okay. Now finished the connection. A1 to A1, A2 to A2, and A4 to A4, and B9 to B9, and B7 to B7 and A7, and B6 to B6 and A6, and A8. This is resistor 50 kilo ohm to A8. Okay, this is finished. And I use this 0.2 millimeter 0.2 millimeter diameter enameled wire connected. Osmo Pocket is using ID system to recognize external attachment. So Wi-Fi module and mic adapters ID are different. I analyzed this system and used 50 kilo ohm resistor to work both attachments at the same time.